Adobe Premiere Pro is a leading video editing software that is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, extensively used by professionals in film, television, and online content creation. It offers a powerful, non-linear editing interface that allows users to handle high-resolution video files and complex projects with ease. Premiere Pro supports virtually all video formats, making it highly versatile for editing and exporting to any desired output format. The software includes a wide array of editing tools for cutting, splicing, adjusting exposure, and correcting color, as well as advanced capabilities like multicam editing, VR editing, and seamless integration with other Adobe applications like After Effects and Photoshop for enhanced graphics and effects. This integration makes it particularly useful for workflows that involve multiple aspects of post-production. Premiere Pro is designed with a clear, customizable interface that can be adapted to a variety of editing tasks. It is geared towards professional users and thus features a steep learning curve. But Adobe provides extensive learning resources, including tutorials and forums, to help users become proficient. Furthermore, its performance is optimized for modern hardware, utilizing GPU acceleration to improve rendering and playback. Though the performance can vary significantly based on the computer's hardware specifications, like other Adobe software, Premiere Pro is available only through a subscription model, which provides users with continuous updates and improvements, but requires ongoing payments. For serious video editors, the cost is often justified by the software's robust feature set, reliability, and industry-standard status. The main drawbacks include the necessity of a strong hardware setup to get the most out of the software and the recurring subscription cost, but for professionals in video editing, Premiere Pro is considered an essential tool that is worth the investment.